How to create a digital business card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create a digital business card. So first of all, just simply open the Canva's official website, or you can also use the mobile application in your mobile device, and after that on the search bar just simply search for a visiting card or business card and just search for it. And over here, when you will scroll down, you will be able to see almost 10,000 templates for the same. So just simply scroll down and select the template of your liking. So for example, I'm liking this one. Just simply open it and click on customize this template, and it will open up another menu for you, and from there you can edit this particular business card that you are using. You can go ahead and remove the name of the company, and you can add the name of the director of the company. You can add your company name over here, the logo, the company name, email address, and the phone number. And you can also change the color theme and color story of the same, and you can also make some changes as per your liking. And once you are happy with the result, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on the share icon from the top right corner, and from there just simply click on download, and you will be able to download this particular business card that you have created online. So this is basically how you will be able to create a digital business card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.